Hello friends, on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all. My name is Kalyan. Today we are going to look into an interesting idea shared by the teachers of Himachal Pradesh under the program Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Today we are going to look into the case study Maintenance of School Resources, under which we are going to look into the idea Falberia of Leftover Midday Meal. It has been seen, or it has been offered to every school in the government, of this every schools which have been run by the state government provide to the students midday meal, and this midday meal is calculated based on the number of students who are enrolled on that particular on the school. So if there is some absenteeism in the school, what will happen to the food which has been prepared for the school? This particular activity or this idea is to ensure that there is no wastage, or the wastage food is being utilized effectively. Let's get into the activity. Everyday basis, the team or the school, the teacher as well as student form a committee for this particular activity. They take down the number of students who are absent, and after the midday meal, they check what is the leftover rice in the pot. They ensure that salt and chili powder is added to it. It is been kindled properly, and small bowls or puppet kind of thing is made out from the remaining rice, so that this rice is fried, this rice is dried, or this puppet is dried in the sun or in the open space. Once in a week this is being fried and shared to the students who are present in the school. Apart from it, if this rice or this available rice can be shared to the needy people pertaining to the same school, this would be based on the discretion of the teacher. This activity ensures that the food is not being wasted, and it has been used properly, so that students are able to get the maximum mileage out of it. I would request you to implement this particular activity in your class as well as in your school. I would also request you to like and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIAEA. I would also request you to like our Facebook page ZIAEA. Thank you for watching.